Hello guys, in this video we will see Rocket League can't connect to servers. Downdetector report solution will cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step of verify widespread outage via Downdetector content before attempting complex troubleshooting. First, confirm if the issue is widespread by checking Downdetector for Rocket League or Epic Games. Navigate to Downdetector commit and search for Rocket League or Epic Games. A significant spike in user reports, especially if accompanied by a red indicator or user comments confirming server issues, strongly suggests a global outage rather than a localized problem on your end. This step helps distinguish between personal connectivity issues and larger official server downtimes that require no client-side action other than waiting. Step: consult official Rocket League Epic Games channels. Content: if Downdetector shows a potential outage, cross-reference this information with official sources. Visit the official Rocket League Twitter account Rocket League, the Epic Games status Epic Gamescom, or the official Rocket League website's news section. These platforms are where developers announce plan, maintenance, unexpected server issues, and provide real-time updates on resolutions. Official confirmation from these channels confirms server-side problems and indicates the best course of action is typically patience until services are restored. Step: perform basic network game restart troubleshooting. Content: if official channels report no issues, proceed with client-side troubleshooting. Starting with the simplest steps, fully close Rocket League and restart your gaming platform. PlayStation, Xbox, switch. Next, power cycle your network equipment. Unplug your router and modem from power for at least 6 seconds, then put them back in and wait for them to fully reboot and establish an internet connection. This clears temporary network glitches and refreshes your connection, which often resolves minor connectivity problems that prevent access to game servers.
Step: with verified game file integrity and software updates. Content: corrupted game files or outdated software can prevent proper server connections. Use your launcher's verification tool for Epic Games Launcher. Go to Library, click the 3 dots on Rocket League and select Verify for Steam. Right-click Rocket League in your library. Go to Properties, Local Files. Verify integrity of game files. Ensure your game is fully updated to the latest version, as version mismatches frequently cause server connection failures. Also confirm your operating system and network drivers are up to date. Step: to add just firewall, antivirus, and flush. Khaki content software conflicts can block Rocket League's connection. Temporarily disable your firewall and antivirus software or add Rocket League as an exception to see if they are interfering. If this resolves the issue, re-enable them and properly configure an exception. Additionally, open command prompt as administrator and type the config flushes, followed by netwinsar. Reset and restart your. This clears your khaki and resets network stack settings, which can resolve persistent connection problems by ensuring your system can correctly resolve server addresses.